Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to study chapter 3, carbon and its compounds. In your previous chapter you have studied about elements and their classification. And one of the modern classifications that you have studied regarding classification of elements was this. And what is this? Yes, this is modern periodic table, isn't it? As you can see, the elements which lie on the left side of this line are metals, and which lie on the right side of this line are non-metals, and which lie along the border of this line are semi-metals, or what we call as metalloids. Among these non-metals, one of the most important non-metal is carbon. It is important to us both in elemental form as well as in combined form. And the role of the carbon in our life is very much important, and it's evident from these facts. Like, carbon is an important constituent of all the living structures like human beings, animals, plants, birds, or because all of them are made up of carbon compounds such as proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, etc. Also, the food items that we consume, like grains, pulses, vegetables, are also made up of these carbon compounds. Also, the clothes we wear and the dyes we use to brighten and beautify them are again made up of these carbon compounds. The fuels like wood, LPG, or coal that we use to cook our food and for running vehicles are also made up of these carbon compounds. The materials that we use for cleanliness, such as soaps, detergents, and most of the medicines like antibiotics, are all made up of carbon compounds. Also, the paper, plastics, rubber, and leather that we use are also made up of these carbon compounds. In spite of the versatile nature of this element carbon, the amount of the carbon in the nature is quite low. In Earth's crust, it is only 0.02%, and it is in the form of minerals such as carbonates, coal, petroleum, etc. And in Earth's atmosphere, it is nearly 0.03%, and it is in the form of carbon dioxide gas. In spite of the small amount of this carbon available in the nature, carbon compounds plays an extremely important role in our lives, isn't it?